Hello mathematicians. Today we're still talking about money, but we're talking about the division of money. So now we're talking about having money and splitting it up into equal groups. Okay, so the first problem that I want us all to try together is $1 divided by 5. Now this is a pretty simple math division question, right? And remember, when we were multiplying money, we got rid of the decimal and then added it back in later. I'm going to have you guys do the same thing when we're dividing money. So instead of having $1 divided by 5, I'm just going to erase this for now. We're going to actually have 100 divided by 5. Now you can solve this any way you want. I know that a lot of you can probably do this mentally in your head, and then you would know the answer. If you need a little bit more help, then let's try the long division approach. We do 100 divided by 5. So then we go 5 goes into 10 twice. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. We drop the 0. 5 goes into 0 0 times. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We do not have a remainder. Now, this is where this one gets a little bit tricky. Remember, we took out the decimal, and we're going to have to put the decimal back in. But this one's a little bit tricky because it looks like it's saying $20, right? But that's not true because $1 divided up into 5 different parts, there's no way that that could be $20. So we need to remember that after the decimal point in money, there are 2 digits, right? So this is actually 20 cents. So you still count over from the right, 1, 2, plug it in, and then we have our answer of 20 cents, okay? Now, the one that I want you to try independently is $2.50 divided by 5, okay? Pause your device now, figure this out, and then we'll come back together and solve it. Okay, so I hope you guys didn't have too much trouble solving this problem. Here's what we're gonna do. Just like we did in the last one, we're gonna take that decimal out of $2.50. So it's 250 cents divided by 5, okay? 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 minus 25 is 0. We drop the 0. 5 goes into 0 0 times. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. We have no remainder. Now, like you probably remember from the last problem that we just did, this is not $50, right? We need to make sure to add that decimal point back in. So we count from the right, 1, 2, and our answer is 50 cents. All right, I hope that made sense. Now we're gonna go on to some trickier problems. Okay friends, so here's our little bit, step up a little bit trickier problem. We have $28.35 divided by 3, okay? So what we're going to do right away, as you guys probably remember, is take that decimal point out. We have 2,835 cents divided by 3, right? Okay, so here we go. 3 goes into 28 9 times. 3 times 9 is 27. 28 minus 27 is 1. We drop the 3. 3 goes into 13 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. We drop the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. That's a funky 5. Let's fix that. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. No remainder. But remember, we need to add back in that decimal point before we find our answer. So we start over here on the right, count 1, 2. So our answer is $9.45. Okay. I hope that that's what you guys got. For this next one, I would like you to solve it on your own. All right, mathematicians, so here's the one that you're going to try by yourself independently, any strategy you want. $33.64 divided by 4. Go ahead and pause your device and then we'll come back together to solve. Welcome back, scholars. Let's solve this problem together. So first things first, we always take out that decimal. So $33.64 becomes $3,364. We divide it by 4. Okay. 4 goes into 33 8 times. 4 times 8 is 32. 33 minus 32 is 1. We drop the 6. 4 goes into 16 4 times. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. We are not done. We still have this 4 right here, so we need to drop the 4. 4 goes into 4 once. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we're done. No remainder. And as you all know, we put the decimal point back in. We count 1, 2 over from the right. Our answer is $8.41. Okay, so I hope that worked out for you guys well. And if you have any questions about the division of money, please see your math teacher during his or her office hours. Have a great day.